What is that? Star Trek, I think? Star Trek, yeah.
Yeah, we saw this before over there.
We got the GTs, Corvette, Volkswagen, and if I'm not... Alright. Oh, never mind, it's a CT4V Blackwing. Pontiac Trans I am over here. Pretty sweet. Cross over here. I wonder if it still is used for against cell phone mail. Yeah, it does look like a Porsche. STO Huracan over there. And we got the Rolls Royce that just random. But I just wanted to take a quick photo of me. Sorry about that. He's nice head pillow. I don't know why they don't have it on the driver's side. Maybe it's because he's not worth having a head pillow. It's not very worthy. Yeah, the engine's pretty very big. Got this another Shelby Cobra. So it's probably like, and they got the nice classic Targa. They got this Nissan. Why do they have this? What is that? Star Trek, I think? Star Trek, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dad, look who this car was. That is cool, guys. This is owned by the guy from Star Trek.
Alright.
Just would like to see some cars coming and going. This is 67, 60. No. You see it? I literally modified that car in Forza Horizon 5. I modified it to make some Forza videos. Alright, we got this SS. And the thing that caught my eye, got the Aventador over here. It's really loud and fancy, nice car. Alright, I'm gonna check out the engine. Oh, they got a Urus. I did not see that. Yeah, it's a pretty big V8.
Then my car beats this one, dude.
Lamborghini Huracan. Let's check out the engine like I was gonna say earlier. That's as close as I can get. I know we've seen some like 2008 ones. We finally got a newer one, yeah. Right here. Wow, this, Dad, look at this Huracan. Wow. Yeah, the engine's not at the front. It's pretty nice. Alright. I'm vibing with this, and we got these cars back here. I'm pretty sure, is this an M3 that just brought the standard model BMW to park here? Okay, I think it's standard. Ooh, I see they have this new...
Corvettes.
What?
I don't like it.
My dad told me to not film the Corvettes. I don't know why. Alright, we got this 750. Just came out recently, so of course they got the new plates on it. Looks pretty nice. They got the classic Ferrari. Of course we have to film that.